I am caramelizing some onions. These were thinly sliced onions, a little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil and some salt. And I am using these for my potatoes. I'm making, I don't know what this is, a potato gratin?
Yeah. I don't
or scalloped potato. I'm adding cheese, 3 different cheeses and heavy cream. And I sliced these thin on a mandolin. And we're going to add, my son wants to show the cheese that he did. I'm going to add these delicious cheeses that my son worked very hard to grate. Do you want to tell them what ones are what?
Yeah.
This one's what?
That one's cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
That one's like
Edgemont, but it's like
Edgemont. It's like nutty cheese.
Oh no! You know what? That one's the Gruyère, buddy.
Gruyère, yeah, Gruyère.
Gruyère, that's a nutty flavor.
And then
that one's what? Edgemont.
Edgemont.
And it tastes like Gouda. It's Gouda style cheese.
It's like Gouda.
And he grated this mountain of cheese for me with the hand grater. Great job, buddy. He's my little helper. In my casserole, I've layered a layer of the cream-soaked potatoes that had seasoning in them. I put some garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. And I'm going to do a layer of my caramelized onions and a layer of cheeses. And then I'm going to add more potatoes and then more onions and more cheese until I run out of ingredients. There's the layer of caramelized onions, a layer of cheeses, potatoes, caramelized onions, cheese, potatoes. The rest is going to be caramelized onions, the remaining cream, and a little bit more grated cheese on top. This is going to go in the oven and bake for an hour to an hour and a half until it's nice and brown and bubbly. I'm going to put the lid on while it cooks.